Hi guys, welcome to the channel. It's me Matangi and today we are gonna see about how to perform molecular docking in AutoDock Vina software. So let's get into the protocol. So this is the protocol which I created by myself for molecular docking in AutoDock Vina. So the first and the foremost thing that you should keep in your mind before creating any folder or file, that there should be no spaces allowed in any of your folders name or files name, and also in any of your folders pathway. And the second thing is there should be three files present in your docking folder, the folder which you created for docking in Autodoc Vina. So the first file is the receptor file, that is the protein file in the PDBQT format, and second one is the ligand file in the PDBQT format, and the third file is the configuration file in the text document, and save it in the name of config.txt. So here I have saved my receptor file, my protein file in the name of protein, and my ligand file in the name of ligand. So as you see the first two lines of my configuration file, I have mentioned those names here, so you can give any name as you want to your receptor and the ligand file. So you should just correctly mention it here as I did. So the next one is the center xyz and the size xyz value. So these are the values which we are giving for the grid box to just we are directing the ligand to where it should go and bind. So you can get these values from the grid box preparations for docking the Autodock software. I have also mentioned in one of my videos how to get these values. I will also give the link for that video in my description box to check that out. So the next step is the energy range 4 and the exhaustiveness 8. So these are the standard values, so just keep it as it is. So I have already created a folder named Vina docking, and I have three files are kept here. So the first two files are the protein, the ligand files in the PDBQT format, and the third one is the configuration file. So the configuration file, it looks same as it did in the protocol. So just correctly create this configuration file. So once we have created all these folder thing, now we can proceed for command. We all know that AutoDock Vina, it runs in commands. So let's get into that. So as we go down, I have also mentioned what type of commands should be typed in the command prompt for docking in AutoDock Vina software. So the commands that should be typed in the command prompt, that I have given it in the blue color. So just the command which is in the blue color, just type that only in the command prompt. And I have also mentioned the space in between those commands, just to remind you to click the space button in those places, not to type space as given below. So let's proceed. So first command is cd space folder pathway, that is the folder where I kept all my protein and the ligand files for docking in Autodock Vina. So cd space, I just have to copy and paste my folder pathway here in the command prompt and click enter. So next command is I have to copy and paste my Vina folder pathway, that is my Vina application folder pathway. So in my system, I have kept my Vina application folder in C drive, uh, programs file, the Scripps Research Institute, then the Vina folder. So just copy and paste it in the command prompt. So before pasting, you should type the quotation mark and paste your copy and paste your Vina application folder pathway and type /vina.exe and close the quotation mark. So the next one is the we should type we should give space and type double hyphen receptor space protein.pdbqt. So this is the name that I have given to my receptor file. So quotation mark space double hyphen receptor space protein.pdb qt, then again space double hyphen ligand space ligand.pdbqt. Okay, again space double hyphen ligand space ligand.pdbqt. So again space double hyphen config space config.txt. So space double hyphen config config space config.txt, and next is space double hyphen log space log.txt, and again space double hyphen, so double hyphen out 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 space output dot pdbqt. So just check once that we have typed all these comments correctly. So as we did, just click enter. So now the AutoDock Vina starts to run. So now we can see that AutoDock Vina it starts to proceed from 0 to 100 percentage. So when it reaches the 100 percentage, the run got finished, and we can see those output files. So guys, as you see, my Vina runs got to be finished in few seconds. So once the Vina running got finished, yeah, it got finished. Okay, so I got the results. So there will be two new files will be created in your folder. So as you see, there are two new files. So one is the log file in the text document, and another one is the output file in the pdbqt file, pdbqt format. So once you have opened your log file, you can see your ligands conformations and its respective binding energy. So okay, as this ligand it binds with my target molecule with the binding energy of minus 9.8 kilocalories per mole. Okay, and you can also view this output pdbqt file in the pymol. So I will show how. So just open your pymol window. Display I will be changing to the white background. So file, open, so just open the Vina talking that output file in the pdbqt format. Also open your macromolecule file, your protein file. So my protein file. Okay, as you see, this ligand it binds to my protein in this place. So there are backward and the forward buttons at the below of your pymol window. You can just click and change your ligands conformations. You can actually see your ligand stain conformations. So okay, so when you click the play button which is at the below of your pymol window, you can see all your ligand stain conformation which is in the continuous motion. You can see it as a movie. So this is how you can analyze and visualize your docking results. So that's all for the today's video guys. Thank you so much.